Now, it's likely that you've been banking with the same place for so long that you haven't even bothered to find out what's out there to see what other benefits or services you're missing out on. And in this video, I just wanted to show you some other banks and show you what they have to offer. And these aren't going to be in any order, but I have 5 conditions for these banks that I want to follow. The first is that the bank has to be FDIC insured. And to simplify, this just is a government guarantee that in the event that anything happens to the bank, you're guaranteed up to $250,000. The second is that there shouldn't be any minimum balance requirements, because you shouldn't have to be charged or even have a certain amount just to have a bank account. The third is that they have to offer both a checking and a savings account, because in the current day, it's not enough just for you to place your money somewhere. You should also have an option for it to effectively grow interest and make you money. And the savings account has to be a high yield savings account, so wherever you park your money, it has to grow way above the national average. And the fourth, which is pretty important to me, which is overall user experience. This is how well you like using the website, the applications, the customer support, and everything that encompasses using the bank. It's 2023 and banking shouldn't feel archaic the same way it did back in 2003. And the fifth is that they have to be relatively known, because let's be honest, if you've never heard of the company, it's not likely that you'll even want to give them your money. You shouldn't have to find your bank on the 3rd page of Google search. Now, the first bank is going to be SoFi Bank. They became pretty popular from offering their student loan services, and effectively they've been able to expand from there. They offer multiple banking services such as loans, credit cards, savings, mortgages, and even insurances. And they even offer additional perks whenever you attach your direct deposit, like a sign-on bonus of up to $250. And with that direct deposit, you can get other perks such as like a 2-day early deposit. The savings account offers up to 4.3%, which is way higher than the national average. And on top of that, their normal checking account offers a 1.2% return, which all in all, being that SoFi covers a majority of the bases, it's a pretty well-rounded bank. And since it's been pushing a lot of its marketing and advertisement to get more customers, they've been offering even more benefits. Now, the next one's gonna be Ally, which is another online popular bank. Now, Ally covers most of the bases, and they've even won online banking awards, but they're mainly applauded for their customer support, which is always a good thing whenever you need to reach out to them, especially to a place that holds your money. And they even offer this personalized savings bucket, so instead of having multiple accounts set up for different things like an emergency fund or a rainy day fund, you can do it all from one account. So this can help with budgeting whatever your next milestone is. Now, the third on the list is not a bank, but it offers all of the services that a bank provides, which is Wealthfront. Now, honestly, I didn't know too much about them until I started doing my research, but a majority of their clients and their customers have an overwhelmingly positive review of Wealthfront. And the reason that they're titled a cash management firm or a wealth firm and not a bank is because they allow all of the banks to handle their back end, and this allows greater benefits and services that they pass on to the users. For example, because they're a wealth management firm, their FDIC compliance is $5 million, which is way over the standard $250,000. And their savings account offers a 4.55% return. And because the company is an investment first platform, it allows you to do a seamless investments into stocks and bonds and other things directly from your account. And like the name Wealthfront suggests, in the event you want personalized wealth management tools, you don't have to go anywhere, and they do it all on the platform. Now, these next two are going to be extras, and they're popular for their credit card services, but they offer way more than that. And if you're beginning your financial journey, credit's a very important tool to understand. So understanding these banks is a no-brainer. But before I get into them, don't forget to like the video if you're enjoying the content and subscribe for more content like this. This one's going to be Capital One, and they offer a 360 checking and savings account, which covers all of the benefits like no fees and overdraft protection. And their savings account currently offers a 4.15% return. And because they're credit first, they offer many of these services such as loans, credit cards, personalized loans, and even business loans in the event you plan on being an entrepreneur. And the last bank is Discover. And just like Capital One, its savings return is 4.15%, but it does something unique with its checking account. Each month it offers a 1% cash back whenever you use your debit card up to $3,000. And while I prefer credit cards, getting cash back with your debit card is a complete benefit. Effectively, you can get $30 back each month, and this could cover things just like subscriptions like a Netflix account. Now, at the end of the day, it's very important that you find the bank that works for you, but the best part about this is that you don't have to just settle for one. You can shop around. And if you enjoy content like this, sub to the channel and let me know down in the comments what topic you want me to cover next.